After priming and setting the eyes, begin by applying Nudie, a matte muted top above the crease. This is our transition shade. You can find a product list in the description box. Next, I'm placing Makeup and Chill, a matte dark brown, into the crease and blending that into the transition. Use a clean, fluffy brush to really blend them together. Optionally, you can apply a white base to make the upcoming glitter shade much more pigmented. Apply a shimmering forest green with gold flecks on top of the base. I like to use my finger, but you can also use a wet brush. Blend the edges using the same brush used for the brown. Using a smaller, denser brush, pack a deep coffee brown onto the outer corner. When there is only a little product left on the brush, bring it slightly into the crease. Blend with a clean brush. All of that blending means pigmentation loss, so go back in with more green. To finish off the top lid, I'm lightening the brow bone and buffing out the edges with Heaven, a soft matte beige close to my skin tone. Clean up any fallout and apply your usual facial routine. Sweep the top all along the lower lash line. Soften any harsh edges. Concentrating right at the base of your lashes, apply the medium brown. Lightly blend. Deepen the outer third of the lower lash line with the darkest brown, being sure to connect everything to the upper lash line. Blend one last time. Highlight the inner corner with El Macaron, a metallic gold with olive undertones. Line the waterline with a brown eyeliner. Begin your wing by following the angle of your lower lash line. Starting not quite at the tip to keep the point nice and sharp, begin to connect to the upper lash line. Fill in the gap. Beginning in the inner corner, draw a thin line right against the base of your lashes. Connect the wings, slowly thickening the line as you go. The goal, at least for my eye shape, is to create a straight line when the eye is looking down. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching!